Morning dear children, hearty welcome in your online class first, subject GK. Lesson 8. Lesson name is Mom, Babies and Home. The name of the animal mom, their babies and the name of their homes. Today we will study. Dear student, as you live in your home with your mother and father, in the same way animal also live with their mom, mother and their name, their baby's name and their home name we will read in this lesson. Lesson 8. Link mothers to their babies and to their homes. First one is done for you. In this lesson, in this list, animals mom names are here as pig, and pig baby name is Piglet, and the home name is Pigsty. With drawing a line, they link the mother's baby and its home. But if we will draw line in each mom name and baby name and home name, it will be very hosh-posh. That's why we will write numbers here. The second one number lioness, शेरनी. दूसरी जो mom name है lioness means शेरनी, and the baby name of the lioness cub. Then we will write here number 2, and the home name of the lioness is Dan. We will write here same number here, second number. Cub is the baby of the lioness and Dan is the home name of the lioness. तो आप समझ रहे होंगे कि शेरनी के बच्चे का नाम कब होता है और उसके घर को मांद कहते हैं, शेरनी के घर को मांद कहते हैं, तो उसका इंग्लिश नेम है डैन. Third one, the mom name is Witch and its baby name is Puppy. Here we will write number 3, and the home name is Kennel. Which baby name is Puppy and its home name is Kennel. जो विच होती है, कुतिया होती है, तो उसके बच्चे को पपी कहते हैं और उसके घर का नाम कैनल होता है. नंबर 4, काऊ. द बेबी ऑफ द काऊ नेम इज नंबर 4 calf. Calf is the name of cow baby and its home name Shed. गौशाला. गाय के बच्चे का नाम काफ होता है और उसके घर का नाम गौशाला, सेड. नंबर 5, मेयर मीन्स घोड़ी. द नेम ऑफ द बेबी ऑफ मेयर कॉल्ट. वी विल राइट हियर नंबर 5, एंड द होम नेम ऑफ द मेयर स्टेबल. वी विल राइट हियर नंबर 5, सेम number here, number 5. The name of the mare colt, baby name colt and home name stable. घोड़ी के बच्चे का नाम कोल्ट होता है और उसके घर को स्टेबल कहते हैं. नंबर 6, hen baby name is chick. We will write here 6 number and its home name is coop. जो मुर्गी होती है उसके बच्चे को चिक कहते हैं और उसके घर का नाम कूप होता है. नाउ डिड यू नो, क्या आप जानते हैं? यू शुड नो दिस फैक्ट ऑल्सो. आपको ये बात भी जाननी चाहिए. कॉफ इज द कॉमन नेम ऑफ द बेबीज ऑफ एलिफेंट, काउ, बफेलो, कैमल एंड रिनोसोरस एक्सेट्रा. काफ जो नेम होता है वो कॉमन नेम होता है. कौन कौन से और एनिमल मॉम्स का होता है? एलिफेंट मॉम, काउ ऑल्सो काफ, बफेलो, कैमल एंड रिनोसर्स. इन जानवर माओ के बच्चों को भी कॉफ़ी कहते हैं। तो देन यू कैन लर्न इट्स वेरी वेरी very nicely from the lesson, and we gave this work in notebook also. From this work you will do in your GK notebook. First, in the first line you will note down lesson 8 and the name of the lesson, mom, babies and home, and date also, today's date also you will note down. In the first line you will note down mother's name. These are the mother's name, and in the middle baby's name, and in the last one their home's name. First of all you will write pig, then its baby name Piglet, and its home name Pigesty. Second one Linus, its baby name Cub, and the home name is Dan. Third one Witch, its baby name Puppy, and its home name Kennel. Fourth one, the mother's name Cow, its baby name Calf, and its home name Sage. Then mother name Mare, and its baby name Colt, and home name Step. Then mother name Hen, its baby name Chick, and its home name Coop. And leave one line, you will write there this fact also you should know. आपको जानना चाहिए. Calf is the common name for the babies of elephant mother, buffalo mother, camel mother and rhinoceros mother also. Okay, you will complete this lesson in your notebook. Now we will read about trees and plants, common trees and plants from the lesson 9. We will read about plants and trees from the lesson 9. Given below are pictures of some common plants and trees. Name them. Take help from the help box. Help box is also given here. Dear student, all of you know that trees and plants are very useful for us, very beneficial for us. They give us oxygen, fruits and vegetables, cereal, pulses and many useful things also. The first one picture is this one tree, coconut tree. We get coconuts from this tree. Second one picture is cactus. Cactus is found in the desert places. Number 3 picture, mango tree. We get mango fruit from this tree. Number 4 pine tree. This tree is found in hill areas. Number 5, this one the plant of pea. This one the vegetable tree. Number 6, this tree is papaya tree. We get papaya fruit from this tree. Number 7, tomato plant. We get tomato vegetable from this tree. Number 8, banyan tree. Banyan tree is the most useful tree because it 24 hours it gave us oxygen. So then you can learn this lesson from the book only. No need to write in the notebook. You will learn 5 trees name and 5 plants name. Any 5 plants name, any 5 trees name you can learn from the book. Lesson number 10. We will read here about fruits. Fruits are great tasting way to great health. Fruits are very useful for our good health. It is said an apple a day keeps the doctor away. यह कहा भी गया है, कहावत भी है कि अगर हम रोज एक एप्पल खाते हैं तो हम डॉक्टर से दूर रह सकते हैं. तो फ्रूट्स जो होते हैं वो हमारी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ही यूज़फुल होते हैं, बहुत उपयोगी होते हैं और हमें डेली अपनी पसंद के कोई ना कोई फ्रूट अवश्य नेसेसरी हमें लेने चाहिए. पिक्चर ऑफ सम कॉमन फ्रूट्स आर गिवन बिलो। नीचे बहुत सारे कॉमन फ्रूट्स की पिक्चर्स है। फिल द करेक्ट नेम्स, टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द हेल्प बॉक्स। हेल्प बॉक्स ऑल्सो गिवन हियर, यू कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द हेल्प बॉक्स फॉर द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग। द फर्स्ट वन पिक्चर, फर्स्ट fruit is apple. You can take the help from this help box. Second one picture banana. Third one picture grapes. Fourth one picture mango. Five one picture is pear. Six one picture watermelon. Seven one picture pomegranate. Eight one picture is papaya. All these fruits are very useful for our good health, and many necessary ingredients they have in them. Do you know that? Did you know? क्या आप जानते हैं? You should know, आपको जानना भी चाहिए. Do you know that orange, lemon and Indian gooseberry, amla keep our gums healthy and do not let us catch cold. इसका इट मीन्स जो ऑरेंज होता है, लेमन होता है, और हमारे जो इंडियन आंवला जिसे बोलते हैं, गूसबेरी जो होती है फ्रूट, वो हमें रेगुलर यूज़ करने से, खाने से हमारे गम्स, मसूड़े हेल्दी रहते हैं और हमें जल्दी से कफ कोल्ड नहीं होता है. तो हमें वी शुड ऑलवेज टेक फ्रूट्स इन आवर डेली डाइट. Now your first UT syllabus is completed. You will learn from the book and with the help of the book and notebook also, and prepare for the first unit test. Thank you. Have a nice day.